In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get better orders with Doordash. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed with choices or unsure of how to maximize your Doordash experience, you've come to the right place. Let's jump right in and make the most of this app to get those top-notch orders that everyone is after. Firstly, you want to start by opening up your Doordash app. To make this as seamless as possible, ensure that your app is up to date, as updates often come with improvements you won't want to miss. The key here is to maximize your visibility and efficiency while using the app. A smooth setup is where your journey begins. Once you're in, the next step is to create an address within the app. This step is crucial because the address essentially acts as your digital home base. For each order, knowing precisely where you're starting can help you adjust and choose accurately from the plethora of options that DoorDash offers. So make this the first thing you update or verify when getting started. Now that you have your address set up, it's time to make some orders. But before you dive right in, take a moment to understand what you're looking for. Having a clear idea of the types of orders that suit your needs and taste will streamline your experience. Whether it's cuisine preferences, dietary restrictions, or simply exploring new options, keeping your preferences in mind will help you navigate the app more efficiently. Choosing the category of your product is the next step in refining your search. DoorDash offers a variety of categories, from fast food to fine dining, and so much more. Selecting the right category ensures you receive orders that not only arrive quickly, but also match your desired criteria. It's a game changer in getting better orders and having them delivered swiftly. Adding items to your cart is a straightforward yet essential step in the ordering process. This is where your decisions translate into action. Double check your selections before proceeding further to ensure a smooth checkout process. When you're ready, place your order. This is the point where all your preferences pay off. Ensuring all your details are correct before confirming will save you from any last-minute hiccups. You might find yourself needing to change your location preferences. This adjustment can enhance your experience significantly, catering to varying needs like delivery speed or exploring different local cuisines. Finally, double check that your payment method is set up correctly in the app. This avoids any interruptions and ensures a seamless transaction. After all, you wouldn't want to miss out on that delicious meal just because of a payment hiccup. With everything set, place your order once more. By following these steps meticulously, you'll find that your DoorDash experience is smoother, quicker, and far more enjoyable. Now, all that's left is to enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching and happy dashing.